Hey Logan, hey, it's Paul here from VeriForm. So you asked about bead rolling, and yes, here are parts that we've bead rolled. These are stainless stints for underground piping systems, and so the material is here. This is the pre bead rolling stage, and this is the after bead rolling stage. You can see the same sort of cutouts that are here are over here. Over here, so there. And this is our bead rolling machine right here. It's right here. And it's made in America. See that? 100% American made. So this machine here is pretty heavy duty. I think the capacity is 14 gauge. Let me just see here. I'm not sure if it's on here. Here it is, yep. It says here, 14 gauge mild steel capacity. So if it's 14 gauge mild steel, stainless would be probably around 18 gauge, and then aluminum be better, maybe even 12 gauge. All right, hope that helps.